If you come to Curacao, make sure to catch the Fever. Fever is island talk for burning out donut style. But Fever's more than just burning rubber. It's an art form. Let's take a look. This is definitely the meanest looking escort we've ever seen, no matter what color it is.
Hi, my name is Sherman Shumbian from Curacao. I own this 2000 CX2 Ford. I have Airbuni full body kit on it, 17-inch Maxim Tequila. My interior system, I have DVD 7-inch widescreen from Boss, a Pioneer radio with MP3 player. All speakers are by Pioneer, amplifier by Clarion, PS2, Xbox, NOS 8, bazooka system for the bass. Engine work, I have a coil system from MSD and intake. I want to thank all my friends, my girlfriend, my father, one of my big sponsors. I want to thank you guys from Speedlogic to come down to Curacao and give me a chance to show my ride.